This Nigeria, if they no mark and wear, latest next week Thursday, all of us don't come out. No, so Nigeria not be country. Nigeria na place where they find visa gather. Oh, no.
M.O.P Laughing Star.
All right, good evening. Yeah, thank you. How are you? You know, say who never born pikin, they say cartoon are for children. Now when you born, you know say adult now watch and pass children. That Coco Melon 300 billion views. Now adult watch 2.9 billion. Children don't watch anything inside that though. No let anybody stress you. If you know say you don't know book, no born now. And rock time to born. No. May your pikin no go ask you, Daddy, is rice carbohydrate? You go say no, it's vitamin. You know so they get where your children go no book free, you go dey fear to come house. May you know if they fail assignment. Would you call your wife? Hello? Are they asleep now? Can I come? Say come. You dey come. One day tell you say they are awake, run. No. If your pikin give you log reading, may you solve. Something will make you come out for school, your pikin go bring her. You sabi and now you come out for school. No let anybody stress you. This life won't carry a shower the whole cash you. May you no sleep finish, your app no go open. Or God they open your app no open. No a shower no way no DPO. Imagine say they arrest you and your wife come bail you. You know say from that day now you go to sweep. No, you must go, you think now, mama sign shorty. Say, where is the useless man that they brought here? Come outside. Hello, madam, is this your husband? Your wife will call you behind counter. Say, nah, be that. Idiot, come where they go. You know say you go pray more and get accident for road after they go out. May you just die. Because if woman get evidence against you, you are finished. You know see that woman, you don't tire for Baby, you now just look at it, wait till I hold this man. You know what mean Baby go pay guests for a quiet bomb. They shout our son. People are Baby senior. Leave our son for us. Don't let anybody stress you for this country, this Nigeria. If they no mark and wear, latest next week Thursday, all of us don't come out. No, so Nigeria not be country. Nigeria na place where they find visa gather. Oh, no. Anybody where you enter, you don't move. Oh, it is all of us the John Jerry they become one by land. No, now visa with the day they do. Don't let anybody whine you, bros. Mama, hold this man well, oh. For your mind, sometimes now you go do you like to make you misbehave. If you see where they write this guy name for comment section for Jerry Easy, Father, run it for me. Altar of fire, bring him near me. No throw away your husband. No say some of you small to don't stand on top of speaker, they shout, useless man, good for nothing man, very useless man. You see these guys who don't feed the table, where they there? They like useless men. If next year, now then go there, now you go there. Hold this man well. Don't say I not tell you. They like scavengers. Not going to shout and young condemn. Now so that they find husband condemn. They repair condemn husband. If they repair this man, you go admire your former useless guy. No sir. I will lie for you. Don't let anybody stress you. This Nigeria, what we do? So if you're really good, all of us no go. And you see, some of them will never really go abroad. For now, mine now, I want to relocate. Call your guy where they there before you go. Since when they see videos from abroad, you don't see any Nigeria, they born away video parlor. You don't see one video from person parlor. Now when they road, hello, how to make it to UK? Idiot, show us your parlor. As this guy there in Nigeria, now he has too small a 5-bedroom. Mama, you go shock if this guy relocate, he go to lap his wife sleep. One Nigerian there UK, as I speak to you, you know they call shared apartment. You and person go, they share one parlor, they share one fridge, they share one pot. Now so the guy, they in, they up. Now only for abroad, person parlor, staircase, they to another person room. You go to watch film, person go to pass your bag, they come from work. The guy, they share apartment with person from Bangladesh. They know they hear each other. The Bangladesh man come back one day hungry, bitter, and carry Nigeria woman egusi soup. Shop her with a bag. Out of annoyance, Nigeria woman just go fridge, see one substance where the guy keep. He don't know what it be. Carry use and chop bread. He don't know say na polish where they use for shoe. Now that day I know say truly revenge is always best served code. They admit her. Surgery. Now they take a more polish for the woman belly. Not let anybody stress you. This Nigeria, what would they so? If you really good, All of us no go dey where we dey now. Ask yourself question. Some men too, I don't dey advise on now. Do whatever you can do to avoid domestic violence. Una no go hear o. Once woman post your picture, say you hold her hand, the thing come red. You no get who you want to explain give you. Domestic violence, especially if you marry fair woman, the way they look you. No be your wife be this. Even if you know say they get the way this woman will take verse, her hair go red. To provoke them a problem. Oh, if you know say you get bad character as a man, marry that woman. If you too suffer, it no go show. You see fair women, they get where they go provoke rich. Only hair go red. They'll come here eyeglass cover her. Say what happened to you? Say I hit her for door. Who hit her? You know say you don't lose your man right. So I tell people, I say women by their nature is been established. Say their power, they their mouth. Yes, I know say now only women get nature, we not get. See, as God created and give their nature, we just they look. They not find something to give us. So they get their nature. That is why they love to talk so much, even when serpent come for garden. Now they follow serpent. Discuss the kind of sin where they like, where they commit. When I don't read Bible, now Genesis say Adam was there. Adam not talk. Because you know they like talk. Now woman see serpent, they pass. He show me saying I ain't go to approach her. Hello. You look very long. Oh. Because that serpent don't they pass there since where Adam they there now. Adam they pass and they pass Adam because God won them. Gossip. These people. You don't go say hi to serpent. Now serpent reciprocate. Tell and say this fruit we really chop am. Nothing go. Now that kind of person you carry for house, you say me not talk. So it's in their nature. Let woman curse you. May he curse you well. Do you know say is that bad? That if your wife shook you knife, you die. Before you die, you can't carry razor blade, scratch her. You know say if you go online, people will still say no now. How can a woman stab you? You would have just died. How can you still use razor blade to scratch her? You would have just died in peace. Is that bad? So we don't have a case. Hold yourself if your wife will curse you. There's what they call the theory of deprivation. When your wife don't curse you, you cannot bear it, leave the house. Now who they see that they curse? One person, not the quarrel. Now who they see that they curse? One person, not the quarrel. This guy get lounge, go there. Person will drink, not they know who curse him. Drink, leave your motor, make Uber carry you come. As you fall for bed, you sleep. No woman fit quarrel through the night. No be prayer. No be prayer. Sleep. Enter coma. Where? Sleep. Now, as you come out, woman don't exercise her nature. Because as she calls you, like say you beat her, you go post you online. You can't see disgusting comment like, how do women survive under this kind of toxic environment? Another woman under the hands of a very useless man. What a marriage this has been for her. I can imagine what she's been through. This man is such an idiot. These are the kind of horrible comments you get. And a person born you. Imagine say your mama the reader. Go outside. She don't exercise her nature. You, when you go outside, find one small girl where they into taking away of troubles and tribulation. Because now your nature be this now, you won't use now. She don't use her nature, abi? More use our own. Find one small girl, where daughter of iniquity, preferably. Friends of Potiphar's wives. Very close to Zerubbabel. Look for them. Let them suck away your sorrows. After you don't get yourself back, go house. You know, say mama go to house, this as you come. In the course, you can't quarrel. As you enter, begin sing song. He has done so much for me. I cannot tell it all. Everybody say, Mama God say, now who I curse now they praise God like this. You don't say you don't meet daughters of iniquities. They've taken away your sorrow. Now after a while, you come buy gift. Give your wife. Come put small letter on top. Baby, forgive me for all I have done. Adultery day inside. No statement. All I have done is an inclusive word that is very accumulative. Yeah. Now, that same woman, as against, like say you beat am, if I go post you online, you come post that gift. Come write with caption, I married the best man in the world. Comment section, come begin comment. Oh, we will marry you. You're not the see husband. Father, where's my wedding gown? God, where? Now, what have you done? The woman will curse you, she is happy. You where they curse, you are happy. Comment section, and the entire internet is. My name is Koboko Master, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.